In this video, we will demonstrate the order entry process in WindowMaker, as well as a few related facilities, such as order revisions and global changes to an entire order. To begin, starting from the Sales panel of WindowMaker, let us create a new sales quote. We'll use the details of a customer we've created previously, confirm some details, and then add our items to the order. First, we will create a door, selecting the location, accepting the standard width and height, and selecting the system, which will define the options we can later pick from, such as the design, or in this case, the colours available for the slab and hinges. Next, we will add a window, again defining the location, but this time changing the height and width, which will update the graphic as well as the styles available, determined automatically by what is possible at these dimensions. WindowMaker supports a huge variety of styles and designs, with automatic calculations for the parts required and specialised UI where needed, like for defining a custom arch here. Changing options also automatically adds other options as appropriate. For each item as you create it, a bill of materials is automatically generated, which can be divided to see specific parts if desired, such as seeing the profiles required for the design. Similarly, the costing and pricing are calculated according to the ones defined for your business. We'll fill out the rest of the order with a variety of other windows, showing you a variety of designs that can be handled, from bifold doors to bays and bows. When you're done, you can see the total pricing of the order and set values such as discount offered, tax applicable, and any deposit already paid. You can also see the cost to you, as well as the amount you'll be making on the order. Assembling your quotation is simple, picking from templates you can customize, with the ability to change any details as appropriate for the customer. The quotation contains the details of the order relevant to the customer, making confirming their requirements simple. You can also use the design summary, which is a simpler document than the quotation, briefly visually summarizing the order in an easy-to-review fashion. When you're happy with the quote, you can send it off and mark your sales order as sent. In the history at the side, you can see the activities for this order, when they were done, and by whom. You can also access the previously created documents, allowing you to see the documents as they were at that time, in case you've made revisions since. In order to make a revision, go back into the order and click the button to create a revision. You can then indicate the reason for the revision and a summary of the revision you are making. In this case, we wish to change the entire order, so we will make use of the Global Changes feature. Going to the Lines tab, we will select all the items in the order and tap the Global Changes feature. Here we are changing the glass type used for the order, changing all the glass used in the order to 616 6 toughened glass filled with argon. We will then change the PVC to be foiled with rosewood-coloured foil, indicated in this particular system as Foil 2S. We click Apply and our changes are complete. We can see that the quote has appended /1 to indicate our first revision, and the price is updated automatically. However, we can input a negotiated price if the revision came post-negotiation. Going back to the order, we see that the visuals have all updated appropriately, and inside each item, The costings, pricings, and bill of materials will have also been changed to reflect the revision. The revision is input into the history, and we can see who input it and the reason they gave. We can now easily recreate the quotation to send off to the customer. Assuming that this revision is accepted, we can update the order's status, progressing it. After we've progressed it to a sales order, it will be passed along, ready for manufacture, which we will cover in a future video. We will now see how you can easily customize any view in WindowMaker. Just select the column and define the condition. You can apply the appearance just to the column or the entire row. Now specify the required appearance, and you are done. Add multiple customizations as necessary to make your working more efficient. Thanks for watching.